Hi everyone, this is Blueseventy's wetsuit demonstration on how to fit your wetsuit correctly. Let's begin with feet first. Putting one foot in at a time and pulling the neoprene up bit by bit on your leg is very important. You don't want to do this all in one go. You want to gradually work the neoprene up your leg, over your ankle about an inch, and up the hips and into the crotch as high as you can. It's very important to pay attention not to nick the neoprene, as it's easily done. So you can use a pair of gloves or your fingertip pads, but you want to work it up your leg, over your hips, as high as you can get it. Once that's done, we then want to put our arms in. You want to put your first arm in and repeat the process. So gradually inching it up your arm, over your shoulders, and into your underarm as high as you can get it. You want to make sure any excess neoprene is worked up through the body and into the chest and shoulders, as this is where the most flexibility will be needed. So make sure it's up as high as you can, your shoulders are in, you get it around your neck, you pull it up, and once that's done, we then take our attention to our body. We want to bend over from the middle and work all the excess neoprene that you have there up to the neck. Once that's done, and it's all worked up through the body, you then want to go onto your zipper. If there's nobody there to help you, you want to attach the zipper, you want to take the cord, and you want to pull your zipper and close it, making sure that the flap on your neck is laying flat to your body. Once that's done, you take your cord, you attach it to the Velcro, and you close the flap over it. And then guess what? You're ready to swim.